Hi everybody. Okay, I wanted to share this with you guys. It is the IPSY customization day. It is September 24th. I've already uploaded and posted my IPSY Glam Bag Plus options. The reason I'm telling you this is I'm getting 3 bags in the month of October. I'm getting the regular bag, which is the one I'm hopefully going to be able to do with you guys here. The IPSY Glam Bag Plus, the one that I already posted, and then the Ultimate Bag. When I did the Ultimate Bag one, it totally faded out after I made my choice, so I wasn't able to show you guys all of the options. After I did that one, I figured, okay, let me try to sit down and do the other one with you guys on film, and we'll see how that goes. So I posted that one up. And now we're going to try to film this again from the actual beginning and show you guys the options for which in October it's the $12 bag. So let's try to do this and see how it turns out. So bear with me. This is all new to me filming this way. So it says you get to choose, pick one of your October products, help us build your dream glam bag. You choose your first item and then they'll personalize your other 4 based on our choices. So, all right, let's click here and let's see if it brings us where we need to go. So as you can see on my screen, I have the Glam Bag Plus, and the Glam Bag Ultimate. So let's see what it says here. Choose a product. So here we go. All right, and then these are my choices. So I don't know if the choices are going to be the same for everybody because we have a beauty profile at IPSY, but let's try to do this together here. Okay, the first one is the Benefit Cosmetics They're Real. I already have that, so no. The next is the Belief True Cream. I've already tried that. The First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I've also tried that. The Betty Boop in Mauve It Baby, that's a possibility. The next one is the Private Doctor, it's a serum. The next one is the It Cosmetics, I already own that. The Purad Clarifying Cleanser, I've already tried that. The Crown Brush with a fluffy and a precision crease, that's a maybe. Then we have this other one called Seraphine Botanicals, which is a luminizing primer. And then we have the Contact Skin Matte Lipstick in Sweet Emotion. All right, so it is going to be between the matte lipstick or the Betty Boop. So do I want a satin lipstick in mauve or a matte in Sweet Emotion? Sweet Emotion is a really nice color. I think I'm going to try the Betty Boop because there's a Betty Boop theme going this month, so I think I'm going to stick with it. So I'm going to choose that. And as you see, every other option now fades out, and then I am going to confirm my selection. They then give you this where it says your choice is in the bag. Come back on October the 2nd to see other products that they picked for your October bag. That's a really important date if you're new to IPSY. On the 2nd day of every month, they give you a sneak peek into everything that's going to be in all of your bags, and then they have add-ons. So if what they chose for you to be in your bag and you're disappointed and you wish there was another option, you will have those options on that day. So they have full-size products that they give you options at $12, and then sample deluxe sizes for $3, and you can do up to 5. If you want to check some of my previous videos that I did, I truly feel that if you do the 4 or 5 products and you choose the $3 ones, it's like getting a customized 5-piece IPSY bag for $15. I think it's an absolute win. All right, then they have down here, which they had in the other video that I just posted, some other options that you can add into your bag, and all of these will be added in at the price mentioned, which I'll go through with you, and it will be put into your bag or your box, whichever you're getting, for free shipping. So it's solely the price that is the option that you choose. So the first options that are here, this is a bunch of duos for $5. So they're literally giving you 2 products for $5, and they look like sample sizes, which means you're paying $2.50 per sample, which is unbelievable. So this is the IPSY by Petra is the first one. It's a skincare duo. The next one is a Clinique and Derma E hydrating skincare duo. The next option here is Nature Lab Tokyo from Beverly Hills, a hair mask duo. And then the last one on this line is the Trisola R&C hairstyling duo. Then the next batch here, they have some Farah brushes, 2 different options. Then they have a Global Beauty Care and Wild Honey clarifying mask duo. And then they have the I Do Care and Sriracha restorative mask duo. The next line up here, we have Cake Beauty and the Coffee Scrub body duo. We have a Raw Sugar and Moroccan Magic lip nourishing duo. We have the Hanalei and SPF RX hydrating lip duo, and the Balm Cosmetic and Curtis Flirty eyeshadow duo. Then you have the Pacifica and Slim Glam eyeshadow duo, which looks like a brush and a small eyeshadow palette. And then they have the Halo Neon and Jolie Cosmetic liquid lipstick duo. And then they have this LXMI and Sugar Cosmetic complexion duo. Then they have this other item, which is an AM/PM sheet mask duo. And then they have some brightening sheet masks. All of those were, like I said at the beginning here, it's duos for $5. The next batch here are what they're calling bundles for $16. They have the IPSY must-have skincare bundle. Then they have an IPSY Shine hair bundle, a golden hour eye bundle, and the IPSY All About Eyes bundle. Then they have some mystery bags for, they have the August, July, June, and May for $12. And then they have some of the boxes for $32 for August, July, and June. And then all of them will be put here. Like you see, the shipping is free. You have a maximum of 5 items per order, and it ships in 3 to 5 business days. So really, really excited about this. Didn't even know this was going to be a possibility. Saw it this morning and was really shocked. Then, like I said, I didn't do any add-ons to any of this because I am getting the regular bag, the Glam Plus bag, and now the Ultimate bag. And I think that should be enough products for me from IPSY. So we'll take it from there. So once again, I hope this helped some of you guys have a chance to see, if you're not part of IPSY, what this whole thing is about. And if you are part of IPSY, maybe it'll give you some time to think about what you want to do before you hit all these select buttons. All right. Once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for finding me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. It's the red button right underneath this video. Nobody emails you. Nobody writes you. It's free. It's simply to help me grow on the YouTube platform. However, if you do want to receive an email from YouTube that I have posted a video, all you have to do is hit the bell beside the subscribe button, and you will get a notification email every time I upload a video. All right, I'm trying to do a couple of these quick videos to give you guys up to the minute of when I get information. You should get that information, as well as you know, if you're part of my channel, I do a lot of unboxings. I am a girl who loves makeup and skincare, as well as sharing with you some of my finds and a lot of my stash. So hopefully you will subscribe, and we'll continue this journey together. All right, once again, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.